As we continued getting ready to the new school year, there was one thing my son still needed, not for the classroom, but for everything that happens around it. Gym days, football practice, and activity days throughout the year. Today, we are making a simple drawstring backpack, but wait until you see the secret pocket we added to make it completely kid-proof. For this project, I wanted him involved from the beginning. We looked at different fabrics, different colors, and a few different ideas. Very quickly, he knew exactly which one he wanted. Let me know in the comment if your kids are this decisive or picking a fabric usually takes hours. The backpack itself is quite simple, but we decided to add a few practical details. A zipper pocket outside and another one inside. Just enough space for the things he wanted to keep close. The construction is very similar to the reversible bread bag we made earlier. So if you would like to the complete step-by-step process, I will link that project below. For us, this project was really about having time together. The first details we added was an exterior zipper pocket, a small addition, but one that makes the backpack a little more useful. And then another zipper pocket inside, because sometimes a little organization makes every day a little easier. One of the things I enjoy most about sewing project like this is watching an idea slowly become something real. What begins as few pieces of fabric eventually becomes something useful, something personal, something that will become part of everyday life. While the main bag comes together quickly, the real magic happened when we added the hardware. And the backpack started taking shape. It became easier to imagine where it will go. Football practice, gym class, and all the small moments in between. This is the moment I always enjoy, when a project stops feeling like fabric and start feeling useful. And that is probably my favorite part. Not the sewing, not even the finished backpack. It's hearing him say, "That is the one I want." Sometimes the most meaningful projects aren't the ones we make for our children. They are the ones we create with them. This backpack is ready for gym days, football practice, and a new school year. If watching this inspires you to make your own everyday items, but you are still new to sewing and getting comfortable with your sewing machine, I have a series just for you. Click the playlist on your screen somewhere or in the link below to watch my Zero to Hero So Practical Everyday Items series. It will help you master the basics step by step so you can build the skills and confidently tackle projects just like this one. I'm Mireille Pegu. Thank you for spending a little time with us today, and I will see you in the next video.